Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Cthulhu monster. Now, there's lots of different ways to draw this, so I'm just going to kind of, take different parts from different things and just kind of create my own. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that just goes down, and it's going to curve up and down. So I'll do the same thing over here. Just go down, we're going to curve up and down. Then starting here, I'm going to add a little kind of circle shape inside each one. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and up. And I'll do the same thing here, out and up. Then I'm going to kind of curve one that goes out and in, and another one that goes out and in. I'm going to take these lines and we're going to kind of curve them up. And then I'm just going to kind of bring them out a little bit. Then right here I'm going to draw a little line that's going to be kind of bumpy. And that's just going to kind of go up and then down here. I'm going to add some little kind of like spike shapes along here on each side. And then they've got some long tentacles in the front by their mouth. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to kind of curve around. I just want to add some kind of fun little curls to this. I'm going to add another one that's going to kind of start down here. We'll curve this up and bring it around. I'll add one out here that's going to curl around. We'll bring it up and have it run into here. Then I'll have one more that's going to kind of curve around. It's going to come out here. And then I might have one more that's going to kind of twist around down here. And let's add one more over here. And I'll put another right down here. Just so it looks like we have lots of them. I'll add a couple more little lines right around here for some more details. Now, starting up here, I want to draw the body. So I'm just going to add a couple little kind of pointy lines right around here. I'm going to add a little kind of line that goes down here on each side. I'll make a little line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down. I'm going to draw a little line down here that goes down and it's going to come up for one of the claws. Put another one here. And I'm just going to keep mine with two claws. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down and it's going to come back up here. I'll do the same thing here. We'll go down for one claw, down a little bit farther with another, and we're going to curve around here for another claw. Make a little line that goes up and comes in. Add a couple little lines up and come in. And then we'll make a little line that goes up and curves into here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and in. Draw one here that goes down and in. I'm going to draw another line that goes down. Draw another one that goes down here. I'm going to kind of curve this in a little bit and put a little point at the end. Then starting here, I'm going to make some kind of like texture little lines around here for part of the body. This can be kind of like a little plate or something on it. And add a couple little lines coming down here. A couple more little lines coming in here. And then starting out here, I want to make the legs. So I'm going to draw a line that goes out and it's going to curve down. Do the same thing here. We'll go out and then we'll curve down. I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve around here. We're going to add a little toe. I want it to kind of look almost like, like an elephant style toe, so I'm going to draw another one here. Little line coming around it. We'll add another little toe over here. Little line that goes up, it's going to come up and then curve up to here. We'll do kind of the same thing here, curve it around, add a big round shaped toe. We'll add another big one here. And I'll put another one out here. Make a foot go over, we'll come up and then bring it right up to here. Then I want to add some wings onto this Cthulhu. So to do this, I'm going to just draw some like big wings up here. I'll kind of start them up by the head and shoulder area. So I'm just going to draw a big line that's going to curve up on each side. I'll add a little kind of curved line that comes up and around on each one. Almost kind of like a little jelly bean shape. Then I'll add a little line that comes down to here. Do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to make it come to a point, and then it will come back up here on each side. I'm making these lines kind of wavy and bumpy so they look a little more realistic, like there's some texture in them. I'll do another one here. Do the same thing, we'll come down, kind of run into this and then bring it up here. Might make it pop out over here. And then I might put one more, it goes up and down. Same thing, one more right here, goes up and down, and we'll just run it to there. Then I'm just going to make some little wavy lines to connect them, make the point come here. Make just some wavy little lines, little point there. So now I'd kind of want to come in here and add some of the different details. Now we have our basic shape down. So I want to make these eyebrows stand up, so I'll draw some lines to go up and down. A couple little lines underneath the eyes, maybe around the edge here. I want to make a little line that's going to come up and go out on here. Maybe another little line that does the same thing. We'll add some little texture and details around here. Some extra little lines all over. Add some little lines kind of coming down the tentacles here. Some little curved lines just to show that they're kind of curving around, they're rounded. Add some little detail lines on here. I'm going to come in here and just add some extra little lines just to show where there's some spots that are bending and moving. Add some little like claw shapes onto here. And add some more little lines around here. Some little texture and detail lines all over. And I'm going to add just some extra little lines right along the body here and the arms. We'll add some little curved lines right around the knees here. Kind of show where the kneecaps are going to be. We'll add some little lines right around the feet, some little lines around the toes, and some little extra lines along the body. Put some kind of little dot shapes around here too, just for some extra texture and detail. We're going to add some big spikes onto the top of the wings. And some extra little lines going down here. Might put a few extra lines onto the inside parts of the wings. And just maybe a few more dots and stuff up here. I might add some more kind of spikes going around the top of the head. And a few more little detail lines everywhere. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Cthulhu. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.